and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share a recipe for a prosciutto-wrapped frittata. And I know it sounds really fancy, but it's just a fancy word for baked eggs. So I'm just really adding some ingredients to the eggs and I'm going to wrap it with prosciutto. You can use bacon. I just had some prosciutto on hand, and prosciutto is basically an Italian dry cured ham. So it's just very thin, it's way thinner than bacon. If you want to replace it for bacon, you can use turkey or pork. So this is perfect for working moms, for college students, because I love to make a lot of these quick meals, so I like sharing them with you all. And if you just have hungry children and you just want to whip up something really quick, this is perfect for you. So if y'all want to see how I make these really quick mini frittatas, then keep watching. So I'm just using a few ingredients that I have on hand. You can use whatever you like. You can omit what you don't like from the recipe. It's totally up to you, and you can make this frittata your own. So the first ingredient I have is some eggs. I have some prosciutto. This is some Italian dry cured ham that's been sliced very thinly. You can also use some bacon, some pork or turkey bacon in place of it. I have some very finely chopped baby spinach, some finely chopped scallion, or we know this as chives back home. I also finely grated a carrot. I chopped up a Scotch bonnet pepper very finely. You can also use some mild peppers if you want, just for flavor. So some pimento peppers will work really well. And I also have some very finely diced onion. You'll also need some cheese of your preference. I'm using some sharp cheddar and I just grated it very finely. I'm using a little bit of coconut milk, and you want to use the full fat coconut milk. If you don't want to use this, you can also use some whole milk or some full cream milk. And you'll also need some oil, so I'm using some coconut oil just to brush the bottom of the muffin tin. And you'll need a little bit of salt and some black pepper. So you firstly want to crack your eggs, and before you even start doing anything, make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Because this is not going to take too long, so by the time we're finished, the oven should be preheated and we could start to get things going. So to my eggs, I'm adding a little salt, and I'm going in with some freshly cracked black pepper. Add the coconut milk, and you just want to give that a good whisk. Now you want to go ahead and add all those vegetables in. So I'm going in with the carrots, the chives or the scallion, the chopped baby spinach. You can use some chorai bhaji if you have, the onion, the hot pepper. And basically you just add all the ingredients to the eggs, or you can saute them first before you add them. It's really up to you. So just give that a good whisk. That smells so good. I could smell the Scotch bonnet already. If you want, you could add a little bit of pepper sauce or hot sauce in here too. So I like to add the cheese to the mixture. If you want, you could just sprinkle it at the top. It's really up to you. I like to add it to the egg mixture. Or you can even do both. You could add some to the mixture and then some on top. So it's really this simple. So to your muffin tin, all you're gonna do is take your slice of prosciutto or your bacon, and you're just gonna nestle it in there just to make a little pocket for the egg. So once you've lined the muffin tin with the prosciutto, now you just take a little bit of your oil and just brush the inside. Honestly, you were supposed to brush the outside, but I kind of forgot. And then my tin doesn't really need brushing because it's already silicone, so it's non-stick. All you do now is pick up a little bit of your egg mixture, and you're gonna just spoon it into your prosciutto lined muffin tin. Once you filled it up with the egg, it's not gonna look really perfect, but nothing in life is perfect. So this is gonna go into the oven. It's gonna bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So it's still very hot right now, so I'll wait for it to cool down a bit and then I'll take it out and I'll show you how nice it looks with the prosciutto on the outside. Smells amazing. You can't really see the prosciutto, but this is it. The egg kind of seeped out on the outside, so I'm gonna taste. That is good. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to leave all your comments down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel to see all the latest videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!